Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at a song called God of Revival by Bethel Music. So the song is in the key of C sharp major. I'm just going to go through all the chords that we're going to use in today's video. So the first chord is a C sharp major. Second chord is a C sharp major. Third chord is a A sharp minor and a G sharp major. Another chord that we'll be using is a slash chord, which is G sharp major with the C on your left hand. And those are all the chords that we'll be using in this video. If I went a bit too fast, feel free to pause the video or slow it down, just so you can see exactly what I'm playing. Okay, so we're gonna hop on right into the intro, and it goes something like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing with my left hand first, and then I'll show you what my right hand is doing. Okay, so my left hand is playing an octave of every chord that I'm doing. So I'm starting on the F sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, C sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that repeats and over, and my right hand is playing. Okay, now I'm going to play with both hands. Just always remember, guys, you can always slow it down if I'm going a bit too fast, or you can pause at any time of this video. So the verses have the same chord progression as the intro, which start on F sharp major, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna play that again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the verse is followed by a pre-chorus, which goes like this. Okay, so all the chords that you're playing, you give them 4 beats, and it starts on the F sharp major, 2, 3, 4, to F sharp minor, 2, 3, to C sharp major, G sharp major. Okay, so the chorus has passing chords, which I will put in brackets in my chord list above. So all these chords that will be in brackets, you play them on the fourth beat. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So all of those chords that are in brackets, you always place them on the fourth beat for this song. So those are called passing chords. Okay, so I'm going to play the chorus through and then explain what I'm doing afterwards. Okay, so we start on the F sharp, 1, 2, 3, and then on 4 we play the passing chord, which is G sharp major, 4, 1, 2, 3. So now we play the slash chord on 4, which is G sharp over C to C sharp, and then we end off with G sharp major. So I'm going to do the count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so the bridge has two parts, or rather two bridges. So there's the bridge that they do, which is the first one that they do, and then they go to the chorus after that bridge and then come back into another bridge, and the chords are different for each bridges. Okay, so right now I'm going to explain the first one. So the first one starts with the C sharp major, 2, 3, 4. Play it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go to a A sharp minor, 2, 3, 4, G sharp major, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 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 2, 3, 4. So that's pretty simple. Now the second bridge, when they come back from the chorus, they just play the chorus chords over that bridge. So the same chords that you were playing in the chorus, you just continue on, but you're singing the lyrics of the bridge. So it'll go like this. And that's it, guys. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe and feel free to put your song requests in the comment section. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.